The External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar of India, presented India's comprehensive strategy for West Asia at the Manama dialogue in Bahrain, emphasizing the region's critical importance to India's economic and strategic interests. A significant focus of the address was on the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, announced at the recent G20 summit.
Today, the global connectivity is very fragile. It is very limited. Many of the historic disruptions have not been addressed. And one of the most ambitious initiatives here is the IMEC, the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, which was agreed upon by a set of countries during the G20 in India in 23. We hope that from India, across the seas, through this region, to Europe, across the Mediterranean, into Europe, we will see this connectivity corridor materialize.
The minister outlined India's active role in regional maritime security, maintaining a naval presence in strategic waters and participating in international security initiatives. Jaishankar also highlighted India's humanitarian assistance to Gaza.
We have supplied relief material both relief materials, particularly medicines, because we are a prolific producer of medicines. So to Gaza, through Egypt, through the Palestinian Authority, separately to Lebanon, to the government of Lebanon. So we are doing something up there. A lot of what else we are doing has been to some extent on the diplomatic side, because we are one of those countries which has the ability to speak to Israel, to Iran.
Well, the minister highlighted that India conducts annual trade worth $170 to $180 billion with the Gulf Cooperation Council, the GCC, Iran and Iraq, while trade with Mediterranean nations amounts to about $80 to $90 billion.
We've had, from an Indian perspective, certainly in the last 80 years, by and large, a very positive, constructive relationship with Iran. And we are naturally guided by that experience. I think today, just as we are able, to be a member of the Quad and be a member of the BRICS, as we are able to talk to a Russia and to a Ukraine, I think we do not see the world in sharp binaries. We have a relationship with Iran. We are very open about it. We have a very strong relationship with individual GCC countries and collective. And we think it's perfectly possible to coexist to everybody's benefit.